Hey my beautiful roses! Welcome back to my channel. If you want to start the new school year feeling fresh, pretty, and totally put together, without spending a single dollar, you're in the right place. Because in this video, we're doing a full back-to-school glow-up that costs absolutely nothing. There's no need for shopping or salon visits. I'm going to share a simple free routine that will have you feeling confident and glowing from head to toe. We're glowing up our face, lips, nails, lashes, and hair. Whether you're starting a new grade, a new school, or just want to feel your best, this is your moment to shine. Get ready for the ultimate back-to-school glow-up that will put you in your soft, pretty girl era fast. And if you stay till the end with me, I'll share my school backpack essentials list that'll help you stay organized and prepared for the new school year. So grab your favorite drink and your prettiest notebook, and let's glow up for school. Number 1. Face glow up. The school year is starting, and we are not starting it with a dull skin. So roses, it's time to get that natural glow that will make people wonder, what's your skincare routine? Step 1. Cleanse your face. The first step to any skincare routine is a cleanser. You need to wash out the dirt and impurities blocking your glow. For this step, we're using oats. Oatmeal is very beneficial for achieving clearer skin. It absorbs excess oil, gently exfoliates, and soothes inflammation. This is very helpful for oily and acne-prone skin girlies. Here's how to do it. Take a cup of raw oats and blend it till powder. Then put it in a plate, add a drizzle of honey, a little water, and mix properly. Next, apply it and gently scrub your face with it. Wait for 5 minutes before rinsing it off with cool water. Your skin will instantly soften. But if you don't have honey, just use oats and water. It works well, and it's safe to use too. Step 2. Ice facial time. Ice facial is great for tightening pores, easing acne, and brightening your skin tone. Pour ice in a bowl, add water, and dip your face in it for 5 minutes. Make sure to take breaks in between. Or you can just grab an ice cube and gently massage your face with it. This reduces puffiness and gives your skin that glow. Step 3. Tone your face. Roses, it's time to tone your face. You can use our green tea or rice water toner for that fresh glow. But I can't wait to share this amazing toner that I've just discovered with you. For this we need fresh mint leaves. Mint leaf fights acne and gives your skin that fresh, healthy glow. Here's how to make it. Put in a good amount of mint leaves in a blender. Then add hot water into your blender and blend it properly. Next, wait for it to cool before sieving it out. You can use this toner every day to get rid of acne and keep your skin glowy. Step 4. Aloe vera serum. After toning your face, it's time to apply your aloe vera serum. Get a fresh aloe vera, cut it, and soak it in water for 30 minutes to get the gunk out. Next, cut it in half and gently massage the gel on your face for 1 minute. But if you don't have the aloe vera plant, you can use the gel instead. Put a little gel in your hand and gently apply it on your face. Aloe vera is amazing for fading dark spots and hydrating your skin. Step 5. DIY face mask. If you want a faster face glow, then you need to use your face mask twice every week. Sieve out a little tomato juice, add rice or gram flour and mix properly. Then apply it on your face for 10 minutes. This brightens and evens out your skin tone, leaving you with flawless skin. Number 2. Lip glow up. Now roses, it's time to get that smooth and baby soft lips for school. Step 1. Lip scrub. Put a little bit of sugar and honey in a small bowl and mix. Then gently scrub your lips for 2 minutes before wiping it off. This will remove the dead skin causing your lips to break off, leaving you with a smooth, soft lip. Step 2. Natural tint. To get a natural rosy tint that lasts, you can rub a slice of beetroot on your lips. Do this every night, and you'll wake up with lips that look naturally plump and pink. Number 3. Nail glow up. Roses, you don't need nail polish to have pretty nails at school. Let me show you an easy way to get those dreamy nails. Step 1. Nail soak. Pour warm water in a bowl, add salt and lemon juice in it before soaking your nails for 5 minutes. This softens the cuticles and brightens your nails naturally. Step 2. DIY cuticle oil. For this you need olive oil. Take a little oil and massage it into your nails and cuticles before bed. This will make your nails grow faster and look fresh even without polish. Number 4. Eyelash Glow Up. Now roses, we're going to grow out our lashes for school, so we don't have to use false lashes. Step 1. Lash oil. Mix castor oil, almond oil, and vitamin E capsule in a mascara bottle and apply it on your lashes every night before bed. This helps you to grow longer and thicker lashes. Step 2. Eyelash curling trick. If you want to curl your eyelashes for school and have no lash curler, you need a steel spoon. Here's how to use it. Heat a spoon with warm water. Then press your lashes upward with your thumb and the back of the spoon for 5 seconds each. Do this before school in the morning, and your eyelashes will shine. Number 5. Hair Glow Up. Now, it's time to fix that dry and frizzy hair before school starts. Step 1. Green tea hair rinse. Put hot water in a jar and add 1 to 2 green tea bags in it for 10 minutes. Then let it cool completely. After shampooing your hair, pour the green tea on your hair as a rinse. Gently massage your scalp for 2 to 3 minutes before rinsing your hair with plain water, or leave it in if your hair loves it. This strengthens your roots, reduces dandruff and hair fall, and it's also perfect for you if you have oily or irritated scalp. Step 2. Hair oil shine. Roses, it is time to get that shiny, silky hair you've always wanted. For this, you need any hair oil of your choice. You can use olive oil, coconut oil, or almond oil. First pour water in a small pot and heat it up on low heat. Then place a heat-safe bowl in the pot, add a little oil in it, and wait for it to warm up. Next, apply it to your mids and ends of your hair gently, leave it on overnight, and wash it out the next day. Do this once every week and your hair will be soft, strong, and shiny. Number 6. Confidence Glow Up. Roses, glowing up for school isn't just about looks, it's how you carry yourself. It's time to become more confident in how you look and how you speak. Remember that you're the standard, not your classmates. First, let's start with our posture. You need to stand tall, push your shoulders back, and your chest out. Having a great posture makes you look taller and more confident. Next, say your affirmations every day. It may sound cheesy, but saying, "I'm smart, I'm pretty, and I'm capable" in the mirror every day works like magic. It strengthens your mindset and also boosts your confidence. Number 7. Backpack essentials. And finally, my beautiful roses, it's time to become that organized and put-together girl in school. Here are some important school supplies you need for the new school year. Because let's be honest, being organized is low-key a superpower. Firstly, school must-haves. You need to get new notebooks for school, a pencil case with pens, pencils, eraser, and a sharpener. Cute pastel highlighters for aesthetic note-taking. A ruler, sticky notes, and a calculator for maths classes. And lastly, a planner or timetable for daily schoolwork. Secondly, personal care kit. For this you need a lip balm or lip gloss, a mini hairbrush or comb, hair ties and scrunchies, and a compact mirror for quick face checks. Get a mini deodorant, sanitary pads or tampons, tissues or wet wipes, and a pocket-sized hand sanitizer. And thirdly, important additions. Here you need your Vaseline, water bottle, snacks, chewing gum, your phone charger or power bank, headphones or earbuds, a Band-Aid, your school ID card, and an emergency cash like $5 or $10. And roses just like that? You're glowing, from your skin to your hair to your nails, and you're ready for school. Remember, babe, you're not just going back to school. You're walking in with confidence, clear skin, juicy lips, and a better hair. Comment below your glow up goal for this school year. I'll be reading it too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and send this to your bestie who needs a free glow up too. Now go out there and slay this school year. Lots of love from Whimsy Rosie.